Alright guys, we just got off the cruise ship at Grand Cayman's terminal. Actually, excuse me, it's a ferry that you take from the cruise ship to the terminal. Here there are some shops. We're going to exit this area and go left on Harbor Drive until we get to the crosswalk.
Thank you for coming, okay? That's my cousin. You know that? Hello, my cousin. How are you? Are you okay?
Say, my hat keeps falling off. Oh my gosh, he sounds like Daffy Duck.
Yeah.
Ready?
Right,
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Enjoy the day, my two princess and princess.
How can we do that? How can we do that?
To the crossing guard, thank you. You made my girl's day. He called them princesses and he had a Daffy Duck voice. There we crossed the road. We turned right and now we're walking along Fort Street. It's about a quarter mile and you can pass some shops here. Might be a nice place to shop on the way to or on the way back. Cross the road once again, but staying on Fort Street. This is Hero Square. All in all, this walk is 5 minutes. The video without being sped up was 5 minutes. Here we see the library and that tells me I know I'm close to the bus depot. We crossed one last road and the bus depot is to the right. We were looking for a yellow minibus and one starts to pull up right as we walk up. Perfect!